Hi guys, and welcome. We're going to talk about pinning announcements to the top of Seesaw Journal Students feed. So let's get started. You can see here that I've created some sort of background. I just have like a very basic one, title of my class at the top, and I'm going to hop into Seesaw. And I've already downloaded that image, so we're going to be using it as my background for my announcement. So I'm going to come up here to the plus button. I'm going to click add, and I'm going to click post student work. And I'm going to go ahead and click drawing. So here in drawing, I'm going to click the camera button, and I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to go ahead and lock this so that students can't mess with it later. I am going to go ahead and do next, and the first thing I'm going to want to post is my classroom rules. So I have my classroom rules here. I can click the three dots and format this. I would prefer not to have a black border, so I'm going to have this, and I'm going to leave it in classic, and I'm going to go ahead and make the font a little bit bigger, and I'm going to click white. All right, so here's my first link. Now to get the link for this one, I'm going to go get to my classroom rules. And so I'm going to link this presentation to them. So they're going to get the view only link. And I'm going to come back to Seesaw, and I'm going to click the three dots, and I'm going to link it. And now this is a link, and if I've trained my students with other activities or things I've done, they'll know that going here and clicking over that link circle makes it a link, and I'm going to go ahead and lock it so it can't be moved or messed with. And I'm going to go ahead and do that with some of my other links. So I have my other link done and ready to go. So I am now going to go ahead and just make sure that that's placed where I want it to go. And I'm ready to go. So I'm going to click the check mark. And I'm going to make sure all of my students are added to this. That means that all of them will be able to see this announcement at the top. So I'm going to click check. And here we go. It's now up here at the top. And you can see who posted it. I posted it. So I'm going to click my three dots, and I am now going to pin to top, and that's going to be this option right here, pin to top. And so now that I've done this, I now have this up here, and all of my students will have that at the top of theirs, and I'll show you a student's login right now. So now you can see that I have my student version. You can see student over here in the top right corner. So this is my student. You don't see it here. So all she's going to do is refresh. And now she sees the pinned things at the top. So this is a really easy way to just pin your landing page, so to speak, a welcome message, kind of welcome tips at the top. And if at any time you need to add a link, you can also do that by going back in, clicking the three dots, clicking edit post, and coming back in and adding links. I'm going to update it by clicking the check. And now you can see that it's updated at the top, and I will go over to the students to show that it updates there too. So now I'm on the student side. Notice that it only has two links. All she's going to do again is refresh. And now my landing page is refreshed. I hope that this helps you guys out, that you guys enjoyed being able to see how to pin a landing page or announcements to the top, and have a great day.